Hey guys, how are you? Welcome back to my channel, and today I'm gonna show you guys some of the products that I received from SHEIN. I picked these items especially because I'm gonna travel to Europe and I'm so excited. So yes, I literally just received the box and I'm gonna open with you right now. Let's see what we've got. Oh my gosh, I'm so excited, really. I'm so pumped. Okay, so here we go, guys. Ooh! I don't know why I'm like screaming or yelling, but like really, I'm so excited. Oh my god, let's see. All right. Oh my god. Okay, so here guys, I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 items, and I'm gonna show you guys. They are like specifically for winter or fall outfits. Okay, so yeah, so let me start with this one here. Oh my god, let's see. Oh my god, oh my god, oh my god, look at this. So cute. This is so cute, guys. Really, this is so cute. Look at this coat. Oh wow, it's so cozy and it fits perfectly on me. Oh my gosh, I love it. Oh my god, I'm so excited. Really, I love it. I love the color, you know, like the color is so cute, and it was really something that I was looking for, something like this, you know. I love it. Thank you so much, SHEIN. The next item is also a coat, and I was so excited to see this one here because I was looking forward to have like a coat of this color. And ta-da-da, ta-da-da-da, let's see. Ooh, look at this. This is another coat and I love it. Oh wow. And this one is a little bit longer than the other one, which is great because I really needed something that was like longer. Oh wow, let me see if it fits on me. It fits perfectly. Oh wow, I love it. Thank you so much, SHEIN. Okay, next one is actually a set, like 2 pieces. So for example, it's like, whoa, look at this. It's like 2 pieces, you know, like it's the pants. Oh, this is cute. Cute. And then we also have the blazer. The blazer is probably more for like spring because it's not very like thick, so obviously I wouldn't be able to wear this on the fall or winter, but the pants I would totally wear them. Really, it's a set. I love the color and I love this style. Really, I love it so much. I'm gonna save this for the spring. I'm so excited. I really love it. And I also got another set, which is also a set of pants. Oh, this is so cute. I love it. And I'm pretty sure I can wear the pants in the winter. I just probably can't wear these, like the blazer, because it's not like very thick, but it's cute anyway. I don't know. Let me try them. Well, I'm gonna try only the blazer right now. Oh, this is so cute. I can't wait to wear this in the spring. And last, oh my god, I got a pair of jeans. Oh my god, I just love the color. I didn't even open the package, but I can see the color is so cute. It's exactly the color of pants that I was looking for. Look at these guys. Oh, I love it. Oh my goodness. These are those type of pants. They are like wide legs, you know, like they're not like skinny, which I love. Like I love these ones because I kind of don't like the skinny pants anymore. So these are, I really hope they fit on me because they are really, really cute. I love the collar. I am so obsessed with this collar. Look guys. And the quality is so good, really. I am so impressed. I am really, really impressed. Really guys, I loved it. I loved them. That's it. Well, I guess that's it. I loved all of the items and I'm so excited to wear them, and plus I'm gonna record a video trying them for Instagram. So if you don't follow me on Instagram yet, just follow me. It's my Serafin, all right? And yeah, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, give your thumbs up and leave your comments down below, okay? So yeah, thank you so much guys, and I will see you in the next video and on Instagram. Bye!